Hello everyone and welcome to Scholarship Times, your own education channel. Hope you are doing good today. In today's video, we will discuss about the scholarship program at King Abdulaziz University for the year of 2022 that is fully funded in complete detail. Before telling you a step-by-step guide, if you haven't subscribed my channel, kindly subscribe my channel and do press the bell icon for more future updates regarding international scholarship program, international certifications, internship webinar and much more for you guys. So let's get started. King Abdulaziz University Scholarship 2022 fully funded program. A great place, a great university and a great King Abdulaziz University scholarship for the academic year 2022 are now open. The King Abdulaziz University Scholarship is a fully funded scholarship to undertake a bachelor's, master and PhD degree program at King Abdulaziz University. The university will cover all the expenses for the full duration of the scholarship program. The application portal is now open and accepting applications. King Abdulaziz University is one of the top ranked universities with a global rank of 134. There is no application fee required for the King Abdulaziz University scholarship. King Abdulaziz University is offering all the academic programs including science, engineering, humanities, arts, information technology, business administration, computer engineering and science fields for bachelor, master degree scholarship and PhD scholarships. The King Abdul University scholarships is open to both male and female students. King Abdulaziz was the founder of Saudi Arabia. King Abdulaziz is a public university funded by the government of Saudi Arabia, one of the finest fully funded scholarship in Saudi Arabia. Don't ever think to miss this. The detailed information about the King Abdul University Scholarship 2022 is given below. Detail about King Abdul Aziz University Scholarship 2022. Country Saudi Arabia University, King Abdul Aziz University. Course level bachelor degree, master degree, doctor degree program. Financial coverage fully funded. Deadline open now. Duration of the scholarships: undergraduate 4 year, master program 2 year, PhD 3 years. King Abdulaziz scholarship benefits. King Abdulaziz offers fully funded scholarship for international students in Saudi Arabia. All the expenses will covered by the university that will get admissions. So what are the benefits? A monthly bursary, a research assistant without summertime. The contract applies for 1 semester only between the Deanship of Graduate Studies and the student, and in the case of two parties desire to contract for another semester. A preparation allowance when coming for the first time. The candidate would receive the health care, providing accommodation and facilities. Subsidized meals can be provided for the candidate. A total sum of 4,000 Saudi Riyal for PhD and 3,000 Saudi Riyal for master. Allowance for printing the thesis, an allowance of Saudi Riyal 2,700 for shipping books when graduated, providing the candidate with a two-way airfare ticket annually. Available academic fields and major at King Abdulaziz. King Abdulaziz University offers a diverse range of programs for international students. All the academic fields and major are available for the BS, MS scholarship and PhD. Scholarships such as undergraduate programs, arts and humanities, faculty of economics and administration, faculty of law, faculty of science, faculty of communication and media, environmental design, faculty of marine sciences, meteorology, environmental and airland, agriculture, faculty of engineering, faculty of earth sciences, faculty of computing and information technology, faculty of computing and information technology at Al Fasila branch, faculty of science, Al Fasila campus, faculty of arts, college of arts and design, maritime studies, faculty of business, faculty of engineering, faculty of computing and information technology, arts. What are the master program? Master degree length 2 academic years, faculty and available specialization: faculty of science, faculty of engineering, faculty of meteorology, environment and airland agriculture, faculty of computing and information technology, faculty of environmental design, faculty of marine sciences, and you can read yourself the available program for these faculties. And PhD degree program for Doctor of Philosophy, length 3 academic years, faculty science, engineering, faculty of metrology, faculty of computing and information technology. Same like master program, you can read yourself the available programs against each faculties. So now what are the eligibility requirement for undergraduate? The student must be of good conduct. Student must have obtained a secondary school graduation certificate or equivalent from within a KSA or abroad. The student's secondary school graduation certificate must not be older than 3 years. Student must not be younger than 70 years old or older than 20 years old. For the undergraduate level, a female student must be accompanied by a relative who is within the prohibited degrees with a regular resident. Student must be eligible for admission requirements. Eligibility requirement for master and PhD. Student must not be older than 30 years old for master and 35 years for PhD. Student must obtain a recognized qualification in his her own country with a minimum grade in case their final degree classification were awarded in an estimate. English language test certificate. The student must provide 2 recommendation letter from his or previous faculty member. Student must not have been dismissed from one of the Saudi institutions. Candidate of Arabic language and literature, Islamic law, studies, sociology, psychology, information science program must be professional in speaking and writing Arabic language. So what are the required documents? Curriculum vitae for the applicant. Statement of purpose must be English for all program except in Islamic studies and Arabic language. A copy of graduation certificate certified from the Saudi Embassy. A copy of transcript certified from the Saudi Embassy. Recommendation letter should be submitted from 2 of his former professors. A copy of valid passport for at least 1 year. So what are the deadlines? This is a good news. The application for the King Abdulaziz University scholarship is open all years. You can apply at any time throughout the years. So in the last step, how to apply for the King Abdulaziz scholarships? The King Abdulaziz scholarship application process is online. They have rebranded their website and launched a new portal. To apply, please visit the official website of King Abdulaziz University, and the official link is provided in this MS Word file. Just copy and paste this link in your Chrome bar and you will be redirected to the main page of King Abdulaziz University. And for your easiness, the link of this MS Word file is given in description section. Just click on that link and you can easily download this whole MS Word file. Read thoroughly 2 or 3 times and understand what documents and what are the procedure for this King Abdulaziz scholarship program. So in the last step, how you can apply for the scholarship, just copy and paste this link in Chrome bar. When you copy and paste this link, you will redirect to this page, scholarship for international student study programs. So you can apply here for Arabic language diploma, undergraduate programs and graduate programs. So this is a very good opportunities for you guys. So if you like this video, kindly give a thumbs up, and the link of this university scholarship program is already given in description sections. You can apply to that link and directly come on this website. So hope you people will like today's video. See you soon. Goodbye.